Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a collage on iPhone Air. So I'm provide full guide and take my iPhone Air. So simply at first open your shortcut apps. No need to use any third-party apps and provide full guide. Don't skip my video. Click on to gallery option. Okay. Then you get search option, search set to photo grid. Press on to plus option. Okay. And press on add shortcut. Okay. Now successfully add this. Go to library. Showing it to my photo grid. Just press on to open. Then you get selected image or video option. You just select any photo or video. Okay. I'm using video. Press on right mark. So as you can see, now successfully create photo collage and need to save in my gallery. Press on share option, showing it to save image, or press on more option, save to file. Select location. Press on save. Okay, now I'm checking. Open my file apps. Some recently create this collage. Press on share option, save image. Now save this image in my photo gallery. So that's it.